In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ebook in Figma. Begin by opening Figma. On the home screen, head to the Community tab. In the search bar, type ebooks Figma templates. You'll see a range of results, but the one we're using today is titled Ebook Figma Templates. Bricks Templates. It's a massive modular system with 64 pre-designed pages, including covers, tables of contents, and 123 layout snippets. This gives you a flexible starting point with consistent typography, spacing, and visual hierarchy already in place. Open the template by clicking Open in Figma. This adds it to your drafts so you can work on your own copy without changing the original. In the left side panel, click into the design to view the full file. You'll see frames for different sections like covers, chapter pages, and content layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the layouts that best fit your ebook's structure. Now, customize all the texts and frames. Double-click any text to swap in your title, chapter names, and body copy. Keep your font sizes and spacing consistent for readability and adjust colors to match your brand. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals by selecting the image layer and choosing a new file. If you are mixing and matching different pages, make sure margins and alignment lines remain consistent across frames so the final document feels cohesive. As you work, zoom out to see multiple pages at once and check that headings, captions, and page elements are visually balanced. Before exporting, ensure your frames are arranged from top left to bottom right on the canvas. Figma exports frames in this exact reading order. Drag frames around the canvas until they flow in the sequence you want your ebook to follow, starting at the top left and continuing row by row toward the bottom right. This is especially important if you've duplicated or reorganized pages while customizing. When everything looks good, export your ebook. Go to File, then choose Export Frames to PDF. Figma will compile your arranged frames into a single, multi-page PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.